How are you and welcome to today's tutorial. I'm your presenter Chimonya. Before we go any further, how is my tutorial going? Is it a miss or what? Let me know in the comment box. Write a comment so that we know where we can change, where we can explain more, and what we can do. You can ask any question in the comment box so that we go together. Today we are going to look at on how you can add titles, not only titles but cinematic titles. How you can design them, how you can light them, how you can add them, how you can make good titles. Okay, let's begin. Up here you can see there is file, edit, clip, sequence makers, title, windows and help. You come here on title, then you come to new title, then you choose your best here. As for me, I'll choose stew. Then here the width is 1920 and the height is 1080 and 25 fsp, 25.00 fsp, and the aspect ratio is on square pixels 1.0. so this is the sequence I'm using. Then come here, want light, you can light whatever you want to light. You can even light it in capital letters, whatever, but make it cinematic. Okay, cinematic lighting. If you don't want to use this zoom, you can even use this. This is font size, then you change the font size. You change the font size. Okay, you can make this one big. You can make this one big, so you come to this size here. You can make this one big, or let's say 200. Font at 200. Then you can make this small. So to make this small, you highlight them, then you come to the font size, font type, so you change the font. You change the font and you use kerning. Use the kerning so that the size can be same size, same everything. As you can see, it's now very nice. It looks almost nice. Okay, let's try to change the font as well to this one. Change the font. Okay, let's use square. Okay, let them capitalize them. Okay, it's in capitalize now. Almost nice. Okay, so we reduce the size a bit. Wow, almost nice, almost nice, almost nice. So now as you can see, it's now almost then if there is an object, you can even add shadow. You can add shadow up to 100. You can add up to 30 somewhere. Then you drop it. This is the same title we just created. Here is the title. You can put transitions if you want. You can add transitions. You can add transition here, the out and ins. So it's like this. Wow, so we can change the transition. The transition, we can add it up to 20, and even here we can add it up to 20. Wow, this is good. This is good now. This is good. Alright, thank you for watching. If you have just enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the like and share button, subscribe. Please let me know in the comment box. Thank you.